Okay, today, boys and girls, for writing, we're going to do things a little differently. We're going to take a pause from our informational writing unit since it's really difficult to do that from home. And instead, this week, we're going to be taking a look at writing things based on what's called the writing prompt. It's where I give you a start of something to think about, and then you write from there. So today when you go to your Google Classroom, you're going to find October 22nd, 2020, and there's some things you'll do today. First off, you'll click on the form to open it, then you'll type in your first and last name. You'll read through the prompt and write using your best skills. Then you're, of course, going to make sure you have those must-have things, those capital letters, those end marks, and sentences that make sense. And then when you are finished, you're going to click the submit button so, well, that I can read it because I'd love to see what you wrote. So here's what it's going to look like. As you click on it, you will see that it's going to ask you for your first and last name. And so this is all you have to do. Then it's going to give you a prompt. And for today, it does give you some information before we get down to what you need to write about. So this week, I'm going to ask you to be writing using a prompt to get you started. So please write this on paper. So make sure you have that paper ready. Please write at least 6 sentences, but more will, of course, make your ideas flow better. And when you are finished, please use your word wall to help you improve your writing. Finally, type your answer in the form and click the submit button. So here's the prompt. Summer vacation has arrived. You have flown on a plane to Hawaii. Your bags are in the hotel. Your family heads to the beach. Everyone is relaxing in the sand and building sand castles. You decide to go for a swim, and you dive into water and discover you can breathe underwater. Right. What a short story about what you would do with this newfound special ability of being able to breathe underwater. So you'll click down below and then you'll type your story from there. Make sure it does have 6 or more sentences. Please remember, before you type it, you should have written it. You should have made some changes. You should make sure that it has those capital letters and end marks. And before you hit that submit button, please make sure that all of those things are there. It might be a really good idea to have a parent check it out for you, because if it's not what is expected, I will probably send it back to you so you can work on it some more. All right, happy writing. I can't wait to read what you send me.